Look at that beautiful blue of that bird. That's a chimney swift. Guess he's going to oversee everybody else that's flying around and going in my garden. Beautiful. The shade of blue is so beautiful. You should see when they're flying. Lovely. Okay, he's going to be the protector of the feeder for him, I guess. Overlooking, keeping an eye out. Look at that beautiful shade. Look at all that blue in the back. Isn't that lovely? See the blue? When they fly, oh, so beautiful. So much prettier than a robin. I mean, a blue jay. More elegant, very pointed wings. See the blue? Look, when the sun hits it, how beautiful it is. See that? Opened up his wings a little bit. It's beautiful.
He's scaring the other bird away.
Oh, he's gone. Alrighty.